Hello, class. I hope you're all well and that you enjoyed your first week of classes. Welcome to week 2. I'm going to start this video off with a few housekeeping things and a few quick, just general notes. First and foremost, I will regularly send out announcements to answer questions that I am receiving numerous times in email. The announcements will answer general questions that I feel as though the whole class should know about. For instance, this week on the quiz, there were two fill in the blank questions that are being marked as incorrect because you're not formatting them in the way that Canvas wants to see them. I'm going to go through and change those grades if you did type in the correct answer. It's going to be very important for you all as students to go to your settings, which is at the top of your Canvas screen. You'll see your name and then you'll see settings. Click on that. Then on the next screen, you'll see a toolbar on the left side. Click on notifications and make sure that you go through there and set your notifications for announcements to ASAP so that you'll receive an alert immediately when I'm sending out these announcements, because I tend to get just a little bit lazy about responding to emails that I've already answered that question in an announcement. It really saves me a lot of time to be able to just send out an answer so everyone knows what's going on and we can all stay on the same page rather than people sending me individual messages. In addition, I really appreciate you all introducing yourselves. I know one student noted that you guys have introduced yourselves many, many times because you are all taking the courses in sequence together. So you caught me. It was really more so for you to introduce yourself to me rather than to each other. But there are a few students who don't appear to be part of the program, and so they're taking it as a general elective. Additionally, I'm trying to go through and respond to each one of you individually just so I can start connecting each of your names to some personality things about your characteristics about you that you've chosen to share with me. I was a little under the weather this last week, which was really horrible for a first week of classes to not be feeling so well. So I was quite slow in getting to respond to those discussions. So you might not have a response yet, but be looking out for that because I'm going to try to get quite a few of those in today as well as over the next couple of days. So jumping right into this week our textbook is going to talk to us about mental illness, its symptoms, its diagnosis, classification, and treatments. Whereas our videos are going to, which are very interesting, are going to talk to us about how our brain keeps us alive and helps us achieve our goals by creating feelings, thoughts, and actions. And so just as a note, the TED Talk gave me a little bit of trouble when I was trying to view it. Generally, TED Talks, you can view them right there on the web page, but I couldn't get mine to do it, so I had to download the video, which you'll see that on the right side of the page. You can click and download it. You can also download it with subtitles. And just so you all know, I will make a very huge effort to make sure that all the videos that I post, as well for the introductions as well as the videos that go out for course materials, have subtitles to make them accessible to all of our students. Just as a wrap up, please do not forget to get your to get your module quiz and your module journal turned in this week. By Friday at 5 p.m. it will close and they will not reopen for any reason. Additionally, be sure to do your second entry for your gratitude journal. I hope that you all are enjoying this, and be sure to save it right along with your first one, because in a couple of weeks you're going to turn 4 entries in for me to look at and give you some feedback. So I hope that you all have a great week, that you find the materials for this week rather interesting. The textbook reading is a little long, but I hope it's interesting to you. And I will be talking with you soon. And look out for announcements that will help guide you all through this week. Look forward to talking with you soon. Have a great week.